Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. We've made pineapple upside down cake before and it was incredibly delicious, and I thought, what about a smaller version? And we made these pineapple upside down cupcakes and they're just fantastic. Let me walk you through this and let's get going. So first off guys, we're going to drop our 12 cup muffin tray with a teaspoon of butter. And of course, this is melted butter, followed by a teaspoon, kind of a brown sugar. And what I've got here are some cherries that I've cut into about 3 sections because it's a relatively small muffin pan. And I'm going to go ahead and place some pineapple slices around it. So you're going to want to reserve the juices because you're going to use this for the cake mix. You know what? I just love the smell of pineapple. Just incredible. So now it's time to make our cake mix, and what I've got here is a box of French vanilla cake mix. You can use yellow cake mix, whatever you like. And then we're going to go ahead and add in 3 eggs, a cup of our pineapple juice, then half a cup of vegetable oil. The instructions are pretty clear on the box. You can just follow those, but you know, this is the way it's done on this. Grab up our mixer. Of course you can do this by hand too, but this is just handier. Okay, now I'm going to grab my handy dandy scooper and scoop some of the cake mix into it. And you want this about 3/4 full. So you might have some leftover cake mix, and what I've done is I've just grabbed up my pan, put some pineapple, brown sugar, cherries in there, and I'm just going to add the leftover cake mix in. And that's going to give you another cake. Okay, now we're going to slip them into a 350 degree Fahrenheit, 180 Celsius oven for about 20 minutes. After about 20 minutes, I'm just going to insert a toothpick in, and it comes out clean, so they are done beautifully. So I'm just going to let these cool completely. Now they've cooled completely, I'm just going to take a knife and trim the tops, and we want these to sit flat. Something like this, and you can eat that. Run a knife along the edges, just so they come out nicely. Flip a wire rack over the top and simply give them a flip over. A little tap tap. And carefully lift the tray off. And voila, there you have it guys, our pineapple upside down cupcakes. Incredibly delicious. Okay, now we're going to give this a taste test. So good guys. The pineapple, the cherry, the richness, just absolutely incredible. I'm going to eat more. You got to make these. Just love them. And it's so fluffy. Just love them. And remember, you can always get the recipe at cookandshare.com. Head on over there. You'll find all kinds of baking stuff, cooking galore. You're going to love it. Thanks for watching and subbing, and see you next time.